In today's video, we are going to see how to make this beautiful crochet rose with leaves pattern. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Your Crochet.
For making this flowers and leaves, we need two colors of yarn. I have used green and red, and a hook size recommended for the yarn. Then we need wire to attach flowers and leaves together, cutter and a scissors. We'll start with the flower, slip knot and a foundation chain of multiples of 3. Here I am going to work 27. So here I worked a foundation chain of 27 chains. Now we'll skip first 5 chains and into the 6th we'll work a single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 6th work a single crochet. So you'll get a loop. Now chain 3, skip the next 2 stitches and into the 3rd work a single crochet. So just continue this till we reach the end. So here I have reached the end. Chain 3, skip the next 2 chains and into the last work a single crochet. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. So here we got 8 chain spaces. So here now we are going to attach the next color yarn which we are going to use for the flower with a slip knot into the chain space. Chain 5 and into its chain space we will be working incomplete triple crochets, 7 incomplete triple crochets. So yarn over twice, insert into the same chain space where we attached the yarn, pull up a loop. We have 4 loops on our hook, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We won't complete the triple crochet. Instead, again we'll yarn over twice, insert into the same space, same chain 3 space, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops, again yarn over twice. So we'll just repeat this 5 more times until we have 7 incomplete triple crochets. We did 5, 6 and the last one, pull through 2, again pull through 2. Now we have 8 loops on our hook. So we have 7 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and the chain 5. So total 8 loops we'll be having on our hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So yarn over and pull through 1 stitch. Again yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 until we reach the other end. Each time we will be pulling through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we are going to work single crochets on top of this pattern. We will be inserting into this chain space. Insert and work a single crochet. Into the next space again we'll insert and work a single crochet. Insert, pull up a loop. We have 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Now we will work a picot stitch. So chain 3, picot on top of the single crochet we just worked. And again a single crochet into the very same space. Single crochets into the next 3 spaces. Space between the triple crochets. So first petal is done. We are going to repeat this until we reach the end. Chain 5, and a single crochet into the very same space. With this we come to the end of our first petal. Now we are just going to repeat this. So slip stitch into the next chain space. Just trim off the extra yarn. Chain 5. Incomplete 7 incomplete triple crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one. Yarn over twice, insert, pull up, pull through 2, pull through 2. We have 8 loops, pull through 1 loop, yarn over. Only in the beginning we will be pulling through 1 loop, rest all spaces we will be pulling through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 until we reach the other end. Now work single crochets into the spaces between the triple crochets. First work 3 single crochets, then a picot, chain 3, insert into the same single crochet, pull, make a slip stitch, and again into the same space work another single crochet, and single crochets into the next 3 spaces between the stitches. Chain 5 and finish off the petal by a single crochet into the very same space. So chain 5, 7 incomplete triple crochets, and then single crochets into the spaces between the 2 stitches, that is 2 triple crochet, incomplete triple crochets. So we'll work 3 single crochets, a picot stitch, again a single crochet into the same space, then single crochets into the next 3 spaces between the triple crochets, and then chain 5 and single crochet. Slip stitch into the next chain space, and again continue working the petal. So we'll just finish off and then show you how to complete the flower. Finish off with a chain 1, cut the yarn leaving a long end for sewing. With wrong side facing towards us, we'll just stitch along while giving the flower its shape. Place the petals accordingly and keep on sewing. Now we are going to start with the back leaf for the flower. For that, starting with a magic circle, chain 2. Chain 2 won't be considered as a stitch. 15 half double crochets into the magic circle. So here I have finished working 15 half double crochets. Slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Tighten the magic circle. Now we are going to work the petals. So for that, chain 2. This will be our first half double crochet. Into the next 2 stitches we will be working a half double crochet each. So total we have 3 half double crochets. Now chain 2 and turn the work. Again work 2 half double crochets. So total 3 half double crochets including the third, including the chain 2. Now for the last round we are going to work a cluster stitch. So chain 2, turn your work, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up the loop. We are not going to finish. Again yarn over and insert into the last stitch, pull up a loop. We have 5 loops on our hook. Pull through all the 5 loops. Chain 1 and finish off the petal. So first petal is ready. Now we are going to repeat this for all our petals. For the next petal, attach the yarn into the same space where we worked our third half double crochet. So insert with a slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 2, again work 2 half double crochets into the next 2 stitches, chain 2, turn your work, again 2 half double crochets into the next 2 stitches. Now for the last round we are going to work cluster stitch. So chain 2, incomplete half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, pull up through all the 5 loops, chain 1 and finish off. So just repeat this for rest of the petals. So here I have finished working all the 5 petals. Before starting to work the leaf, we need to cut the wire. So measure approximately 10 centimeters, double it and cut the wire. We'll be working around this wire. We'll start the leaf with a foundation chain of 10 chains. Slip knot and 10 chains. Now holding the wire in this manner so that the wire is in between the hook and the yarn in our hands. Chain 1, work a single crochet into the second chain. So insert, you will have 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, single crochet. Into the next chain we will be working a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the next chain, pull up. We have 3 loops, pull through all the 3 loops. Into the next stitch we are going to work 2 double crochets. So yarn over, insert into the next stitch. We have 3 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2 loops. Again work 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Into the next stitch we are going to work a double crochet, again we are going to repeat all these stitches. So 2 double crochets into the next stitch, a half double crochet into the next, a single crochet into the second last stitch. We'll be ending with a slip stitch into the last stitch. Again a chain 1 and slip stitch into the same stitch. We are going to repeat all these stitches onto the other half of the wire. A single crochet, a half double crochet, 2 double crochets into the same stitch, a double crochet into the next, a half double crochet into the next, a single crochet into the last stitch. Slip stitch on top of the first single crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now all our parts are ready. So let's start assembling the bouquet. I have used glue stick to attach the flower and the back leaf. You can use normal glue also to attach the flower and back leaf together. Now just wrap the wire using either a yarn or a tape in this manner and just finish off your rose flowers according to your creativity. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.